I'm going to teach you guys how to make exploded Skittles just like these using a tumble dryer.
Get your Skittles, bang them in there like that. You got to put it on a low temp. That one there, right? Press play. And then you come back in 2 hours, 55 minutes, and then you're done.
It's finished. It's finished. We're going to get these out. Oh, look. I'm going to bring these with me. Let me 2 seconds. Do this. You got to see this. You got to see this. 2 seconds. This is, look, completely sealed. Look, perfect. Yeah, ready? Look. Look at that. What, guys, no cap. Look at that.